again with day 3 of vlogs. We're going to EPCOT today and Magic Kingdom, so that's going to be fun. We're going to be leaving around 8 to go, and hopefully there aren't like huge lines, because on every ride we've gone, we've waited like an hour or more. So, but that's Disney, like, I guess. I'm excited to meet princesses.
That's at EPCOT.
We'll see y'all when we get to, or when we're back in the hotel, because we're gonna vlog on our way there.
Yeah.
All right. Hey y'all, we are on our way to Animal Kingdom.
We are.
Yeah. We are.
We're on our way to Animal Kingdom right now, and Kels is super excited.
I'm extremely
She
excited.
is our vegan
We're
queen.
gonna see all the animals, and they're gonna be
I just
so
want to go
cute.
see Avatar because apparently the ride's really
She
good.
started off with animals this morning. She had a little cucarachita.
In my hair, in my bed, but it's fine.
We'll make that a story
literally-
time later. But yeah, we're all excited.
We're gonna go to the safari.
It's the bus is pretty packed. Like,
Yeah.
we're standing right now. Also, we're twinning because our coaches told us we had to wear the same stuff. So. And half of our team is trying to solve riddles. And then
Confused. I can't
no, it's
lie.
not. Okay.
Yes, it is.
I'm
You
gonna have to.
literally
I'm gonna.
understand.
Okay. Anyways, so
Yeah. When you're like dying
when
last
I,
night?
no. So yesterday, Olivia was like doing riddles with us when we were on Tower of Terror,
Oh, yeah.
and there was this one that Mujay did, and I couldn't get it, and it was the line one.
Oh, really?
I couldn't get it. I get it now. We were trying for like half an hour, and I was so frustrated I couldn't get it. I felt like an idiot. I started crying.
It's okay. I still feel like
So,
one.
I mean, me every day. Me when I go to OP.
all right. Anyways, Kels, take your hand like this.
So, align
And then we're gonna cover the camera and say, see you guys at Magic Kingdom. Bye.
Magic Kingdom.
See you guys at Animal Kingdom. Hey guys, we are here at Magic Kingdom.
Hey guys. I was like, my name's
Animal Kingdom, that's what I said.
Russia. What did you actually say?
Magic Kingdom. We have to go to security. Oh, they're wearing microphones.
Under the palm trees, ladies.
Oh.
Under the palm trees.
We are here at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Super excited. We're gonna go on Escape from Everest, something like that. Apparently it has a really big drop. I'm not much of a roller coaster girl, but look, it looks so cool. And hopefully I don't die on Everest, and hopefully it's a lot of fun. Hey y'all, we just got off of Escape from Everest. I think that's what it's called. It's that big mountain in the back. It was actually super fun. And I kind of had like, I had a lot of anxiety as I was like getting on. But like I held my coach's hand because I'm a little kid. And now I'm eating a Mickey pretzel and I have my water because you know we healthy out here. Where are we going now? Do you know, Mads?
It's like some Bugs Life thing. I don't know. We're gonna be like bugs for a second.
Ooh, you know, like cucarachitas.
Cucarachitas, exactly.
We love it. So we're gonna go see it. Apparently it's like in 3D. Alexis, show the pretzel. Show the pretzel. I know. That's why I said show the pretzel. Yes. Thumbnail.
Yeah, I love vlogging.
We're vlogging.
No, they're vlogging
Oh,
too.
I don't know what they're doing. But I've been doing this since day one, so no one can tell me.
Guys, it's JoJo. Welcome back to JoJo's Juice, where every Wednesday I ask everyone is JoJo. Welcome back to JoJo's Juice every single Wednesday.
Yeah, let's
on
go.
my Twitter.
There's so many people here. But the sun is hitting. The eyebrows are killing it. And we're making our way. Look at that. I was on that and I didn't die, which I'm super surprised about. And little do you know, like I was like raising my arms as we were like taking turns and stuff, and it was actually really cool. So definitely would recommend that one. And I'll keep y'all updated. How do you feel about your opponent?
Listen, you're not gonna know what hits you. Blank, period.
What do you think?
She's garbage, so. And I auditioned for Shake It Up, did she know? So.
Listen, how long have I been cheering?
2?
6 years.
This
So
is not
try it
cheering, this is
again,
dance. How long
okay?
have I been
And
dancing since I was 3? Since I was 3. To this day.
So, Olivia, do you think Mujay is just saying this to shake you up?
Starstruck.
Your opponent just said you ain't. What do you got to say about that?
All I can say is starstruck. That's all I'm gonna say to her from now on. So. Hold on. When I tell you.
Chanel's the ref.
Press play when I tell you.
Oh!
I quit the dance battle. I quit dance. I quit cheer. I quit everything. I am. Wow.
What do you got to say, Olivia?
I said, this was no competition. This is serious. Period.
What do you think about this, Alexis?
I think it's very entertaining.
Do you think that you would pay money to see this?
I would not.
Hey y'all, we just got back from Animal Kingdom and we grabbed some snacks. We're just walking back to our hotel because we have like 2 hours to just chill, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to EPCOT, which I'm super excited for.
Me too.
First time for both of us, so we'll see what they have. My double chin is there today, guys. It's definitely there. I think that's pretty much it. Is there anything we should catch them up on?
What rides did we on?
We went on Everest.
Yeah, that one was fun.
Ooh, let's talk about A Bug's Life. The animatronics.
Yeah, that too. They're like.
Yeah, so like
they're
you're
good.
watching it and it's like coming at you, but there's like effects happening like at the same exact time. So
Like there was this one part where one of the bugs, it was a stink bug, and it released its gas, and you could smell it.
smelled, but it wasn't
disgusting.
it wasn't like horrendous. Like I didn't want to like throw up, but like it smelled. It wasn't something pleasant, you know.
It's like,
And so it was kind of like, it was cool. And then there was a part where like spiders were coming down.
that was creepy.
I
That was
literally
scary.
got on the ground because I don't mess with spiders. It was like right above me too. It was like every other person.
It's like,
So at the end, they were like, please wait, like remain seated and let the maggots, bugs, and whatever crawl out first. And it like, you felt it on your seat, like it like rolled, and then like there were bugs crawling, and it was just like you could, I don't even know how to explain it. It was just like creepy, but it was like so much fun at the same time. So like if you ever go to Magic Kingdom, I definitely recommend going on like hi. No, you're all good. Do you want to go heat up the
right
fries?
here, your room is being serviced.
I'm sorry. Sometimes I'm illiterate. We will see y'all in a little. Bye. We're going to EPCOT. We have fast passes to go on Soarin' around the world, which is like apparently supposed to be like really cool. So I'm super excited for that. And yeah, it's supposed to like be raining. Oh my gosh, my baby hairs. Don't roast me. It's supposed to rain. It's actually really like gray outside. So hopefully it like, I look crazy. Hopefully it doesn't rain because I want to go on rides and I don't want to be in the pouring rain. I think that's all. We're just going to be making our way, and I'll go ahead and leave you guys with that and meet you up when we get there.
Trees. See your girl in the park. That girl is an ox. The thing went quack, quack, quack. You men with that.
That's 21 Savage when he raps.
I chop on the road.
They're in
Boom, not conflict.
Yo, alligator. Alligator on the port.
Don't tell my girl Whitney. On the road doing 10 toes.
Didn't have to do him like that.
We are vlogging. We're at Soarin'. We are strapped. We're on like the top one, so we're gonna be all the way up.
Might
top.
fall off, but it's okay.
We're not moving, we're fine.
Oh
Okay.
no, they have to come and like see
Are
the
you
thing.
excited?
I'm so excited.
Ew, I hate this.
I know.
But yeah, we've been waiting in line for a while. Seatbelt check. Gotta go. Bye. Alright, we are at the Disney store.
I'm buying this.
I think you need a smaller one, skinny.
Yeah, I think. Do they
She's-
have like premature or something?
Oh my gosh, I'm so shiny.
I got socks.
Oh my gosh, they look so
I
cute.
got a
How much
pair.
were they?
They were okay. I thought it was a 2 for $11, but it was apparently 11 each. Kind of stupid, but look at them. I got a pair for me and my mom, so we're gonna be twins.
Cute. I want to order a pair of Crocs for my mom. Also, if you guys haven't seen my Crocs, they are great. They're Disney themed. I know, amazing. Also, I bought a Stitch. He is in here. Let's not talk about how expensive he was, because that doesn't really matter. They have snow globes. Oh my gosh, this is so... That's so cute. Okay, I don't have money like that. I have to stop. Do you want to talk about your experience with Soarin'?
Life changing.
You should do it.
It's great.
To China.
Yeah, we got to go to China, Hawaii. We got India. We saw the Taj Mahal. It's great. And I would definitely recommend it. Let's talk to Alexis about what she thought about it. And Maddie, what did you guys think about Soarin'?
It was great and beautiful, but I'm so tired I'm gonna collapse.
Oh, yeah.
Like
Everyone
I'm
is like sitting on the ground in front of the
I
castle.
can't sit down because if I sit down, I'm not getting back up.
No, when
I swear to God,
when we were at Soarin' and we were sitting down, my knees literally ached. Like I'm getting old.
Every time I go to sleep, my feet throb. Like literally
Um,
throbbing because the day before.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna end the vlog here, guys. Tomorrow is our last day, and then we're headed back home. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.